The whole gray thing. Push it. Yeah, and hold it. Adhesive. Good morning, vlog. How's everyone doing today? Maverick just got 2 new teeth in his mouth. That's why he's been so cranky these days. Can you show them your teeth? Your teeth open. Ah. Open. Open your mouth. Go ah. Yeah, there you go. He's got. So now he has 8 teeth, and he turned 15 months about 2 days ago. You want to hold the camera? Wow, who's that? Can you say hi? Hi? He's trying to take the camera. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Say uh-oh. Can you say yellow? There you go. Yellow. Yellow. So today we're going to pick up his Uncle Tyler. Go pick up Uncle Tai Tai? Tai 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 Tai. Say yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. So we're just gonna hang out for a bit this morning. Maybe get a little bit of cleaning done. And then go pick up Uncle Tyler, and I don't know what we have planned to do today. No, I don't know what he wants to do. But I kind of want to take Maverick out to do something active. As you can hear, he's been pretty cranky the last week. I was like, I don't know why. I thought he was getting better from his being sick. And then 2 teeth popped out. So, yeah. He's still a little bit cranky. Gave him some Advil to kind of make it feel better, but what are you trying to get? Do you want Elmo? Elmo? Here. Do you want Elmo? Okay, no, you don't want Elmo. Well, you're not going up on the end table there, okay? I'm gonna let you guys go for a sec. My intermittent fasting's finally over, so I'm having some vegan kung pao chicken or bowl of rice, vegetables with vegan kung pao chicken, and a coffee. I've been waiting all morning to have a coffee, and I've just been having some green tea. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy now. I just wanted to get on here and talk about the intermittent fasting that I have been doing. So you can either start with 16 to 8 ratio or an 18 to 6 ratio, meaning that you fast for 16 hours and then you can eat for 8 hours, and then you can fast for 18 hours and eat for 6 hours. So both are very beneficial for your body. I just looked up here, so I wouldn't have to say it off the top of my head why intermittent fasting is super healthy for you. I have a lot of people telling me that it's not good for you, but I think if they researched, they would change their mind. So it protects against neurodegenerative diseases. Insulin levels drop and human growth hormone increases. Reduce insulin resistance and lower blood sugar levels. Reduce risk of heart disease. Reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Boosts your metabolism for fat loss. Extends your lifespan, helping you to live longer because you're healthier. Reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in the body. Removes waste material from cells. And reduces leptin levels, increasing testosterone. So, those are just 10 benefits. There's a million more benefits, and it's your body. You do what you want with it. If you think that Whatever you're doing is best. If you want to try something else, that's best. This is what's been working for me. I've been trying to lose weight for like probably since I got out of high school, when I started to drive and I wasn't really walking anywhere anymore. I got my license and I just drove everywhere, so I wasn't burning as much calories as I used to when I was in high school and earlier on than that. So it's been a big struggle. I've tried a bunch of different diets and everything like that. When I was pregnant with Maverick, I had lost 40 pounds, but healthily. So meaning that I was overweight before I got pregnant, and then while I was pregnant, since I was eating super healthy, I don't know what happened, but my mindset changed, and it's so weird because I don't have that anymore. But when I had a baby inside me, I was like, I need to feed this baby healthy food and give it the right things to make it grow and be healthy and all that. So I ate super healthy, lost 40 pounds. The doctor was like, that's great, awesome. And then I was breastfeeding, pumping, and kept the weight off for a few months. And then at 5 months, I stopped pumping breast milk, and the weight started to come back on again. I'm like, what the heck? Like, I feel like I didn't change much. I don't know what's going on with my body and all that, like what it really needs. But anyway, back to the intermittent fasting. This is the first lifestyle change that I've noticed in a very short period of time that has made me start losing weight. Like, some people gain weight right away because they're retaining water and their body's getting used to it. Some people lose weight right away, and some people stay the same right away. But if you just stick to it, they say that you will have benefits and results in like a month or two. But yeah, so I've been doing it for probably since the beginning of December, and then I lost 15 pounds off the bat. So I do the 18:6 intermittent fasting ratio. So I fast for 18 hours, and then I eat for 6 hours. I don't eat the whole 6 hours, but that's your time frame window of when you can have your meals and snacks and things like that, so that you're full for the next 18 hours. And I know 18 hours sounds like a long time, but like, it's not. You're sleeping most of it, hopefully. So anyway, yeah, I have this app called Lose It on my phone, and my Fitness Pal. So my Fitness Pal, I like that better. You can scan the barcodes on your food, and then it will give you the amount of calories. But first, when you set up your profile, it will tell you like how much calories you should be eating that day to get the results that you want when you fill out the quiz. So if you want to gain weight, then you would have more calories and it will figure it out for you. If you want to lose weight, then you'll have less calories. So I'm at 1,300 calories a day, so then I stick to that. And that might not seem like a lot of calories to have for a day, but it's more than enough. Like, sometimes I don't even finish it. But you should, because you should be eating and you should be putting good food and nutrients in your body. Drink a lot of water. It helps flush everything out. It helps keep you full. It helps keep you hydrated and healthy. So still have this freaking thing there. I don't have any makeup on right now. Sorry guys. But yeah, so when you're intermittent fasting, when you're fasting, you can only have, I know everybody says all different things. Some people say you can have like flavored teas and things like that. But for a clean fast, you can only have black coffee, no artificial sweeteners, nothing in it, just black coffee, and water. I also have green tea. I'm not sure if that's considered part of a clean fast, but that's what I add in because it helps. I don't really drink black coffee. Like I try, but it's so disgusting. It's so gross, especially since I can't add any like sweetener or anything to it. I wonder if you could add stevia. Even stevia though, it's really gross. So yeah, I just drink water, and sometimes when I crave pop, I really like to have like a Diet Coke or something, and I can't when I'm fasting. I've been trying to stay away from it in general. Like I don't drink it like crazy or anything, but like a can of pop a day, I'm like, yeah, give me the Diet Coke. But I've been using a SodaStream water, what's it called? Fizzy, makes your water fizzy. So I've been doing that, and it helps with like the craving for something like bubbly and fizzy, and that's been helping. And I find the fizz like helps to keep me full too. So yeah, just having my coffee now. It's hard to adjust because in the morning I never get like fully awake until I have a coffee, and I've been trying to cut it out, and I've just been having green tea to try to like boost my energy levels. I think Maverick's making it, we'll see. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Do some research if you're interested. Ask me anything you want and I will tell you what I know. I'll let you know if I don't know something. Oh, there's Maverick. I'm gonna go get him. Is it Barney? Where's Barney? Where's Barney? Do you see Barney? Barney! Say Barney! Can you say Barney?
Let's do something special.
Barney?
Big balloon all the way up to the moon.
Barney? Is that Barney? Okay, so Maverick's bookshelf is like a complete disaster. He has a bookshelf in our TV unit in the living room, and then he has a basket of books in his other area. So I'm just going to organize his one in the living room right now. As you can see here, we have all these books. This is the shelf 1, 2, 3, everywhere. And I have all these books to organize. So this is a Freestyle Libre flash glucose monitoring system, and I'm helping Tyler to set it up on himself. So it has like this arm sensor thing that you install on your arm, and it will read his blood sugars when he puts the machine up to it, or his phone, which is really cool, instead of pricking his finger every single time he wants to find out his blood sugar. So we don't really know how to do it, and we don't feel like reading instructions. So we're going to watch a YouTube video on how to insert it into his arm and to get it working. So we will update you on that. So these are the things that go on you. This is the thing it inserts in your arm, and these are some pre-injection swabs.
To make sure no infections happen. Okay. That looks like the comment I had. It's exactly. Oh my god, who would read all that? Every single language in Ontario. Quick reference guide.
Look at, there's even more in
user
here.
Information. I'm just going to read the important information. Please review all the products instructions before using the Freestyle Libre system. This guide gives you quick access to important. That's not important at all.
This is what you need, I think. So we just took the lid off of here. Needle in there.
Needle.
I didn't.
I know, but there's a little thing in there that might have hit it.
Sorry.
I can tell. I'm very good at it.
And then took the thing from here and it went in
Are you even putting blood on? Yeah.
here.
I'm tripping.
And then he
3.
needs to just put this on his arm and push the needle in there. Disclaimer, if you're scared of needles, do not watch the next
Well, you don't see it going.
30-40 seconds.
You don't see it going.
So it doesn't really matter.
Not where you
I'm not
take your
placement.
needles,
I don't
though.
need to worry about hiding it.
Or you don't do it in your arm anymore.
All you need to worry about is knocking
No, but I mean like put it like back there a bit more.
it to this one.
Right here.
Does it have a name?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here.
Low.
Oh, where my shirt is. I don't know. I think you need to have a bit of fat where it is.
It's mostly right here is that.
What you do with this?
So you open this.
Needles in here. I'm sure of it.
Okay.
All you need to
You open
do
this.
is find this little groove
Open
here.
this.
And this dip here, and you just need to line them up. It's so easy. So put them in together, line them up, click. Right.
Okay. Do that.
So
Line
they're
up.
both, they are one. They are one now.
Click.
You can see that there's a needle in there. I think you can see that there's a needle in there.
I
All you need to do now, let's show you.
No, you gotta take it up.
is
Take this
find
off now.
a
And then there's a
position
needle in there.
in the
Whoa!
It comes out though.
Yes.
I want it to
needle
be
in here.
flat part.
I'm sure of it.
Might
All
go
you
up
need
there.
to do is find this
I would do it on the
little
back of
groove
your arm
here,
more.
and
Yeah.
No, because I want to be able to read it good.
You will.
it's very easy. So put them in together, line them
Right
up,
there.
click.
How do I do it again? Just press it? I forget.
You just push the whole gray thing. Push it. Yeah, and hold it. Adhesive.
Didn't hurt at all.
Yeah.
I
that's
mean,
what
it
she
did
said.
a little bit. And then they said, you see, they held it.
Yeah.
I don't think you have to, but
Just to-
it helps the adhesive.
Yeah.
I'm gonna push hard. Oh, I want to watch a couple different videos just because they tell random things about it.
Gray bit down.
And then what?
I can honestly
And then you just
say I
gently take the gray thing off.
Oh, there we go. I had to wiggle it.
Yay!
Now I'm just gonna hold the adhesive again. I thought it would be flatter, but I guess not. It's not too bad. It's like, look at this. This gonna help Uncle Tai Tai.
You're like a robot. Like a cyborg. Maverick, is he like a cyborg? Whoa!
Maverick! You awake? Come here. Come on. Come see Mama. Come here. Making Maverick some gnocchi dinner. In the microwave. Tyler got me a new tripod for my camera.
Yeah.
Thanks, Tyler.
No problem.
Thanks. We're gonna try it out.
It is. Can I do that? Oh, and if you're up here, like, do that. You know? Oh yeah, look at that. And bam. Ooh, pretty. She's a photographer now. Oh, that thing's definitely not level anymore, but it's not a big deal. But I would keep that tight frequently, like when you're not. Nice. Looks professional. Nice stuff.
Thanks.
Yeah. Wow. Pretty cool, dude. I think if you want it higher too, do this. Watch. Just do this. Right?
Yeah.
Then it won't be sticking out for Maverick to trip. But make sure you tighten it, see? Not too much, I just stripped it. Yeah, you know what I mean by not tightening it too much?
Yeah.
It'll strip. I just did it, but it's fine. Bam, there you go. I just can't stand when stuff isn't level. Okay, go first. Boy, it's actually a good price for a freaking tripod. You see, you get him playing, and you can, you know, if he runs around, you catch up a little.
Put it in.
Water, it's so good.
Let's go.
Rexall.
Oh yeah, it's from Rex.
Oh, it's good. Like, oh no.
Are you all done? All done?
Done?
And put it away? All done.
Give it away, give it away, give it away.